Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Today I decided to do a look using TooFaced's Gingerbread collection. So I came up with this golden glam smoky eye type situation with a bold lip. This lip I'm actually really digging. Anyway, you guys know I'm super bad at introductions, so if you want to see how to create this look, please keep watching. Alright, so my face and my brows are already done. If you want to see the products that I used to create this face look, just check out my Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. It should be one of my last posts. So for today's eye look, I'm going to be going in with TooFaced's Gingerbread Extra Spicy Palette. And to start off, I'm just going to set my lid using plenty of dough. Using my Morphe M504 fluffy brush. So first, just making sure there are no creases in my lid. And then popping that on. Go all the way up to the brow bone. Next, taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush, I'm going to pick up some Butterscotch. And I'm just going to blend this into my crease. Blending it into my brow bone. Next, picking up my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 brush and going in with Extra Spicy and dropping it a little bit but still getting it in the crease. Don't go as high up. I'm just gonna windshield wiper this in and picking up the brush that you just used Butterscotch with. I'm just blending that edge out. You can pick up a little bit of Butterscotch and blend it out as well. Next, going in with a smaller crease brush, I'm going to take my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush and just picking up Cookie Call. And I'm just going to deepen up my crease one last time, but I'm going to keep it even lower than that orange and darken up my outer V. I'm going to take that Extra Spicy brush and blend out this brow and Butterscotch as well. And then on my lid, going in with Candy Queen. I'm going to pick this up on my BH Cosmetics 11 brush. It's a little concealer brush. And I'm just going to not cut my crease, but kind of cut my crease, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna go in and draw a line. First, I'm gonna go on my finger, I lied, and just pack on this color. And to blend out these edges, I'm just gonna take a little smudger brush, and this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills A13 brush. And I'm just going to blend out the edge of this color a little bit. And then picking up a little bit more of Cookie Call. Blending that out. Picking up some of that Cookie Call on my smudger brush that I just used. I'm just going to smudge that under my lash line. Oh shoot, that was a lot. Then picking up a smaller brush, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506. I'm just going to pick up some of that Extra Spicy and just blend out. And the way I blend it out is just literally put it right on top. And then taking that fluffy brush that you used to set your eyelid in the beginning, I'm just going to go on under my eye Now that that's done, we can move on to some liner. I'm going to be going in with NYX's Epic Ink Liner. And I'm going to do a wing. Now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with some magnetic lashes, and I'm going to be using Oohlalash in Slim Thick. And to put these on, I'm just going to go over my liner with some magnetic liner. Before I pop on those lashes, I'm going to be going in with some mascara, and I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's Perversion mascara. And then in with the lashes. Now going in with some highlight. Kind of excited for this one. I'm going to be using TooFaced's Kissable Body Shimmer. I know it's for your body, but I really want to use it on my face. So let's do it. It just kind of looks like this. Let's see what it looks like on my face. It's pretty golden, so you're gonna like it. Ooh. I'm also just going to pick up a little bit of this on my finger. Get my nose. Cupid's bow. I'm also going to touch on my inner corner and brow bone. Just lightly on the brow bone. Alright, and then lastly, I'm going to go into some lips, and I'm going to be using TooFaced Melted Matte, and this is in Gingerbread Girl. I'm not going to line my lips today, so let's see what happens. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I hope you guys like this look and want to recreate it. If you do, don't forget to take pictures and tag me at Chelseasmakeup on Instagram. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, please leave them in the comments. I read all of my comments and I will get back to you. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.